Good evening, everyone. We are junior from oral skill class at Lao American College. My name is Supaporn, and my friend name is Mr. Sutinda and Mr. Johnny. Today, our topic today is global warming. Okay, we are looking at our outline. Our outline is talking about what is global warming, how does global warming occur, causes of global warming, effects of global warming, possible solution, conclusion, and recommendations. Okay, let me start with what is global warming. The global warming is an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. We can observe nowadays that our planet is heating up, and the global warming has been increasing over the last century or since 1900s, caused by emissions of greenhouse gases. Okay, this is enough for what is global warming, and let me move on to how does global warming occur. There are 4 procedures of begetting global warming. The first, the global warming occurs when the greenhouse gases collect in atmosphere. The major of greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide is from the burning of various fossil fuels for power generation and transport use. Water vapor is from the evaporation or boiling of liquid. Methane from livestock farming and animals digesting. And nitrous oxide is from fossil combustion and animal digesting and industrial processes. And next, when the sunlight and solar radiation have burned off the Earth's surface, the planets and the lands and the oceans have absorbed the energy of sunlight, and when they bounce in the Earth's surface, some of radiation escapes into space and some of correct in the Earth's surface. And then this heat trapping in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This pollution which can for years to centuries, and they keeping the earth warm. This is creating the global warming we see today. That is enough for how does global warming occur. Next, Mr. Sutinda will present you about causes of global warming. Mr. Sutinda, please.
Thank you, Ms. Supaporn. All right, let me start with causes of global warming. There are 2 main causes of global warming. The first is by natural disaster, and second is by human activities. And so let's talk about the first. By natural disaster, it is the problem that people cannot stop. because and it is volcano eruption. When the problem after volcano eruption is absolutely wildfire, and it will release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And the second cause of is by human activities. As you see in the picture, you will see a lot of pollution is being released into the atmosphere by industrial factory from burning the coal and fossil fuels, and the use of vehicle in the city and transportations, and the cutting down of the trees. As we know, our planet needs a lot of oxygen to cover the atmosphere to protect the heat from sun ray, and people also breathe oxygen from the trees. And as we know nowadays, the increase of the population causes people to use more electricity, and especially is the air conditioners and the lights along the city or the building. And this is enough for the causes of global warming. So let's move on to the effects of global warming. There are rising sea level, agriculture and fisheries, droughts and floods, acid rain, the risk of extinction of various animal species. The first, rising sea level. The melting ice in the North Pole and South Poles cause the rising sea level and less land area. And forest for agriculture and fisheries. Forest farms and cities will face with some trouble, such as heat wave, heavy downpours, and increased flooding. Of those factors will damage agriculture and fisheries. For droughts and floods, higher temperature will lead to the faster evaporation of water, and it leads to drought in one part, and heavy rainfall causes flooding in another part of the world. For acid rain, as you see in the picture, you are going to see the pollution is being released into the atmosphere, and when the rainfall, it will absorb the pollution in the sky before reaching the Earth's surface. And the risk of extinction of various animal species. Various animal species will be extinct because of water shortage, global climate change, heavy storm, and pestilence. So this is all of effects of global warming. So next, Mr. Johnny will present you about possible solution of global warming. Mr. Johnny, please.
Thank you, Sujina. Okay. Let's talking about possible solution. The bottom line is 5 ways to solution. We have renewable energy, sustainable transportation, sustainable agriculture and forest management, sustainable infrastructure, responsible consumption and recycling. All right, let's look at the picture of renewable energy. These are energy that we should do, and we should use this energy because they are clean energy and environment friendly. Sustainable transportation. We can walking by use electric car or car with eco fuel, and public transportation, sustainable infrastructure, use technology for reduce carbon dioxide, methane, and legislation to control, sustainable agriculture and forest management, stop deforestation, and plant replacement tree, and stopping to use chemical to agriculture. Responsible consumption and recycling. We need to separating the trash to the type and for destroy it properly. That's enough for a possible solution. Let's move on to conclusion. Global warming is increase of temperature caused by human activity and natural disaster. Its impact to the weather and our living. We can reduce it by 5 ways that I said. If we can do it as much as you can, so that we can live with the earth for the long time. I want to focus to recommendation. Now we are facing to global warming increasing. We cannot stop it, but we can reduce it by any way. This all of our references. If we want to live longer, to be safer, and in good health, we must to protect our environment, said by Eleanor Dimo. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, you can ask.
Next. Very effective team performance. Very good teamwork. So, 3 of you made it at the same level, but different style. Well prepared, well organized, everything is yours. And the way you present is very professional. If you did not introduce yourself that you are a junior student, no one can believe that you are students, like experts. Very informative, very knowledgeable. Your pronunciation is perfect. Practice harder, I can feel that. You deserve it. Right? You deserve it. Then, Suphapon, you made it wonderful with difficult words. For example, curve. A curve. Not many students can do it, but you can do it, a curve. Most students say, curve, but I usually teach you a curve. Today you do it. So proud. Many words you did very good job, like combustion, perfect, fantastic, so proud of you. Right. Recommendation is very fantastic. I really like it. Oh, wow. Good. Very good. Right. And the way you explain, very smooth, very logic. It's like professional. Study very hard. So proud of you today. Very, very dynamic teamwork. The few things that you need to improve. Methane. not methane, methane. Yeah, French language say methane. Methane. Yeah, okay. Animal, bound, not bound. Okay. Ocean, not ocean. Ocean. Shut. Ocean. Good. Warm, not warm. Yeah, okay. Here is the outline, not we have outline. Just make it short. Here is the outline. Right? Sukinda, you never let me down. Yeah, you never let me down. So I was proud of you during the group discussion. You make it very, very professional. The tone of speech, everything is perfect. The language is perfect. Atmosphere, how could you pronounce that? Atmosphere, you know. I just taught you very few times, but you said atmosphere. Most of the students say atmosphere, right? But you can't do it, you could do it. Right. As you can see in the picture, that's very natural, right? Very natural. And with your hands movement, caution gesture, right? Okay, possible. You can do it. It's possible, not possible. Possible solution. Good. Very good. Very good. Just only few things, right? Label, not label. Label. Labels. Loud accent. Label. Yeah. Pronunciation. Label. Yes. And the sound is not clear sometimes. That's not clear. Makes it clear. I need to see your tongue. Okay, Johnny, you fascinate me at the beginning. The bottom line is, oh, fantastic. I really like it. You made it today very, very, very wonderful. You made me happy. So proud. And you use very technical terms like responsible consumption. How did you get that word? It's very wonderful. Recycling, something like that. It's a little thing. Carbon dioxide, you mean you did not do good with carbon dioxide. Not carbon dioxide. O is pronounced sound. Carbon dioxide. Author, right? Right? O can be pronounced many sounds. Author, us, or. Okay, methane. Right. So, speech lab. You make it wonderful. Thank you very much. Only questions now. My question. How can we start to protect the world? Or how can we start to reduce the global warming?
Thank you for your question. First, we have to separate the trash to the right places of them and save the trash that can be recycled into the factory or
Useless energy. Useless.
and use the less of energy and change into the electricity energy.
Right. Thank you very much. You are done.
Thank you.
So, group number 201, right?
Yes.